Hindi sang-ayon ang karamihan ng mga Canadian sa nalalapit na dagdag ng carbon tax ng gobyerno ngayong Abril. Tinanong natin ang ilang kababayan kung bakit. Sa report ni Teresa Ridula.
Sa nalalapit na pagtaas ng carbon tax sa Canada,
Lahat po tumataas, especially yung mga gas price.
It's much higher than I have ever remembered.
Much higher?
Yes, it's causing stress into family expenses.
7 sa bawat 10 Canadians hindi sang-ayon sa nakatakdang pagtaas sa presyo ng gasolina sa susunod na linggo. Ito'y ayon sa poll na inilabas ng Leje at Canadian Taxpayers Federation.
Budget's getting tight. Mahirap na sa bulso. Wala ko lang mag-e-bike eh.
Mag-e-bike? Bakit?
Para kuryente nila lang.
Saka eco-friendly.
Oh, eco-friendly.
Sa pagdinig ng House of Commons Committee Huwebes, muling manawagan ng ilang provincial leaders sa federal government. Nabuwagin na ang carbon tax hike matapos tumestigo si Saskatchewan Premier Scott Moe nitong Miyerkules.
This isn't just reckless, it's immoral and it's inhumane. The so-called solutions the federal government is to increase the carbon tax on something that is life or death for Albertans in the extreme cold of winter. And I will say that that is, again, inhumane. It begs the question, how far will the federal government go to make life even more difficult and expensive when so many Canadians are already struggling?
Naunang hinamon ni Prime Minister Justin Trudeau ang 7 premier na hindi sang-ayon sa dagdag carbon tax na mag-isip ng mga alternatibo sa buwis na ito. Tugon ng New Brunswick Premier, pagpapadala ng liquid natural gas sa Europa sa halip na uling, bagamat wala silang natural gas projects sa ngayon.
We need to think bigger. Our situation in the Canada is that we're too isolated in our bubble. We're not reaching our potential to help the world. And we're causing huge impact, financial impact, right across this country on our citizens. And it's unnecessary.
Inakusahan naman ng Prime Minister ang mga premier ng pagsisinungaling ukol sa rebate na natatanggap ng Canadians sa pamamagitan ng federal carbon pricing system.
We put a price on pollution that makes sure people are looking for ways to reduce their emissions, and families, particularly low-income and middle-income families, do better with more money in their pockets to continue to raise their families and build a future. That's what our price on pollution is all about.
Isinawalang bahala naman ng Alberta Premier ang pahayag ng Ottawa.
I kind of wonder what the Liberal members think is going to happen with those dollars. So they come back with $400. Do they think someone's going to go out and buy a $60,000 electric vehicle? Do they think they're going to put $10,000 of solar panels on their roof? Do they think that they're going to convert to geothermal, which costs $20,000?
Sa Lunes, April 1 nakatakdang tumaas ng 23% ang carbon tax o nasa 3 sentimo kada litro. Aabot naman ito ng hanggang $15 kada tonelada. Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.